Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nimra Zafar. I have done my masters in construction management. The purpose of starting a YouTube channel is to transfer my knowledge and skills to other people. I have come across many people around me who are unable to initiate their research because of inability to decide their area of research topic or research title. So here I have a short lecture about how we can decide our area of research. The pro tip is that the students should not give up on choosing a single topic without doing keen research. We need to search for various topics, we need to read various multiple research papers, books and journals. That it is totally wrong that we make our proposal by simple copy pasting. What we need to do is that we need to do research on multiple topics, like on 5 to 10 topics. We need to read various research papers. Then we need to analyze the feasibility of that research in your own country. As I am in Pakistan, so I will say that I will analyze the feasibility of the research in Pakistan, and then particularly an institute in which you are going to conduct that research. Then we need to filter the topics and reduce the number of the topics based upon their feasibility. Then what we need to do is that we need to consult our advisors or our supervisors who will further filter down the topics, and then we will go for a single. If you find thousands of researchers already published on that particular topic in past years, like 15 to 20 years back, then don't go for that topic. Its present scope is not so high. Go for the topics on which researchers have stepped up, like 8 to 10 years back. There are more to come. And when you have decided your area of research, don't copy paste the title of other researchers. That will be the plagiarized research according to the expertise. Make your own title by deciding the keyword of your research. While deciding your research area, make sure research is not broad enough that it has no boundaries. It should be limited. It should be focused, so that the research is more powerful, more intense. The research should speak itself, so it should be focused. As we need to search on multiple topics, we need to read various research papers, so our data should be authentic, and for finding that authentic data we should use the various authorized websites. I have shared few of the websites which are commonly used or which I use in my research, that are Google Scholar, Science Direct and academia.edu. Thank you. If you have any questions, please write down in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. In case of any other queries, please contact on my email ID. Thank you.